Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the acquired resources process of project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, acquire resources is the process of obtaining team members, facilities, equipment, materials, supplies, and other resources necessary to complete project work. The key benefit of this process is that it outlines and guides the selection of resources and assigns them to their respective activities. The resources needed for the project can be internal or external to the project performing organization. Internal resources are acquired assigned from functional or resource managers. External resources are acquired through the procurement process actually. Now we shall talk about the inputs for this process. First input is the project management plan, which includes the resource management plan. The resource management plan provides guidance on how to acquire resources for the project. Then the procurement management plan has information regarding the resources that will be acquired from outside the project. This includes information on how procurements will be integrated with other project work and stakeholders involved in procuring the resources. Cost baseline. The cost baseline provides the overall budget for the project activities. Then project documents, which includes the project schedule, which shows the activities and their planned start and end dates to help determine when the resources need to be available and acquired. Then resource calendars. Resource calendar document the time periods that each resource needed to for the project is available for the basically project. Then resource requirements, in which identify which resources need to be acquired. Stakeholder register basically may reveal stakeholders' needs or expectations for specific resources to be used on the project that need to be considered in the acquired resource process. Other inputs are enterprise environmental factor and organizational process assets. Now, the tools which are used in this process are the decision making. Techniques that can be used in the acquired resources process include but are not limited to multi-criteria decision analysis. Selection criteria are often used to select physical project resources or the project team. Then the interpersonal and team skills that can be used for this process includes but is not limited to negotiation. Many projects need to negotiate for required resources. Then pre-assignment. When physical or team resources for a project are determined in advance, they are considered pre-assigned. This situation can occur if the project is the result of specific resources being identified as part of a competitive proposal, or if the project is dependent upon the expertise of particular persons. Then virtual teams. The use of virtual teams creates new possibilities when acquiring project team members. Virtual teams can be defined as groups of people with a shared goal who fulfill their roles with little or no time spent meeting face to face. Okay. Then if we talk about the output of this process, so first output is basically the physical resource assignments. Documentation of the physical resource assignment records the material, equipment, supplies, locations, and other physical resources that will be used during the project. Project team assignments. Documentation of the team assignment records the team members and their roles and responsibilities for the project. Documentation can include a project team directory and names inserted into the project management plan, such as project organization charts and schedules. Then the resource calendar. A resource calendar identifies the working days, shift, start and end of normal business hours, weekends and public holidays when each specific resource is available. The change request. When changes occur as a result of carrying out the acquired resource process, for example impact to the schedule, or when recommended corrective or preventive action impact any of the component of the project management plan or project document, the project manager needs to submit a change request. The other output of this process are project management plan updates. Any change to the project management plan goes through the organization's change control process via change request. Components of the project management plan that may be updated as a result of carrying out this process. Project document updates that may be updated as a result of carrying out this process. Other outputs are enterprise environmental factor updates and organizational process asset update. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.